What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today, yet again, we're going to be talking about another cryptocurrency, and many of you guys are 100% aware of this cryptocurrency. It started out as a meme and it's turned into an absolute sensation. If you can't figure it out to that point, it's Dogecoin. And I'm extremely excited to provide this content to you and this video to you because really I want to provide some realization and talk about if you would have invested in January of 2021 $1,000, where would that $1,000 be today? I think it's extremely incredible. Plus, a Major League Baseball team sold some tickets and they were bought by Dogecoin. We're going to talk about all this. So if you're interested in Dogecoin, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. But before we dive in and start talking about cryptocurrency, start talking about the Oakland Athletics, the Dallas Mavericks, and Dogecoin, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go. Like I said in the open, ladies and gentlemen, this coin has been doing amazing things. It really has. What started out as a joke has turned into something just tremendous. Honestly, Elon Musk is all over this coin. You have Mark Cuban talking about this coin. You also have the Oakland Athletics, who are obviously dealing with Dogecoin. It is absolutely incredible. This is becoming more and more relevant every single day. So as I was doing research, because I do research and really enjoy, finding out about Dogecoin and really a lot of cryptocurrencies and just seeing how it's actively trading day in, day out because they're traded 24/7. Doing the research, I come across an article that said if you would have invested $1,000 in January of 2021, where would you be right now? Where would you be today as of the highs? And I thought it was absolutely phenomenal to see the return. Holy smokes, it really is incredible. So I'm not going to waste your time. We're going to dive in and really talk about this absolutely amazing Dogecoin. Here we go. A $1,000 bet on Dogecoin to start 2021 now tops the average US income. Let that sink in. I mean, that is incredible. It took Amazon 13 years to deliver a 10,000% return to investors. It has now taken Dogecoin 5 months. 5 months. The cryptocurrency, known as DOGE, hit an all-time high of 60 cents on Tuesday, pushing Doge market cap north of $70 billion to become the fourth most valued coin, according to Yahoo Finance's data partner, CoinMarketCap. I do like perusing and going through CoinMarketCap. A lot of interesting things, and you can really get some good information. That's now larger than the market cap of Moderna, one of the companies shipping the pandemic, obviously the vaccines that are, being shipped out to save the world from the pandemic. That means that $1,000 that was placed, because it says bet, but I don't believe it's a bet if you have belief. So it says a $1,000 bet placed on Doge to begin the year when its price was around half of 1 penny would now be worth more than $100,000. In fact, at the 56 cent price that Dogecoin seemed to stabilize around on Tuesday, the position would be worth $103,703. Considering the U.S. Census Bureau last reported the average American household income at $69,000, that the same $1,000 bet on Dogecoin could have delivered about 1.5 times the average household income in just 5 months. Absolutely incredible. But wait, it gets even better. Here we go. It's a staggering way to think about the more than 10,000% rally the cryptocurrency, which was founded as a joke, has been able to put together this year. Dozens of tweets from Tesla CEO Elon Musk brought attention to it earlier this year and last, and obviously it's not over with Elon. And then the Dallas Mavericks owner and Shark Tank star Mark Cuban emerged as another advocate. Obviously, absolutely incredible. Really just putting in a lot of good information on this. Recently saying it was better than a lottery ticket on the Ellen DeGeneres show. To be fair, the story isn't all hype, and this is where we're going to break off after this and talk about this. It says, to be fair, the story isn't all hype. The Oakland A's joined the Dallas Mavericks this week in becoming another sports franchise to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. The team's president took to Twitter to confirm the A's proposed the first Dogecoin transaction in Major League Baseball history. On Monday, last month, the team also processed its first Bitcoin transaction when it sold a suite for a single game. So we're starting to see this become more prevalent within sports, and this is going to start continuing to be a trend, ladies and gentlemen. Yet even with the narrative of added acceptance and to allure of Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live, that could feature another high-profile Dogecoin mention. It's hard to forecast how the cryptocurrency could keep up this performance. Well, you basically just answered it yourself. If a lot of this information continues to compound, the positive information about athletic events and who knows what else could follow continue to happen, and then you got Elon Musk who's pushing it hard. That's your answer right there. Let's not forget, Doge's genesis story is not so far detached from Saturday Night Live itself. It was formed to poke fun at the explosion of crypto projects with an obvious joke. The cryptocurrency also technically has no cap on the supply of tokens in circulation. That by itself might give any crypto investor pause, given unlimited money printing by the Federal Reserve is often a main reason Bitcoin fans cite for choosing it over the dollar. But Doge, which also offers cheaper transaction fees and quicker settlement times than most other cryptocurrencies, has had something else going on for it for a long time before Musk even jumped on board. For years, the cryptocurrency has boasted a wide and welcoming community. I do have to tell you, the community around Doge is absolutely phenomenal. So to go along with that community positivity, to really kind of talk about such a tremendous group of people, this defines that right here. It says the Dogecoin Reddit group now boasts more than 1.6 million members. That's only up from the 1.3 million just 3 weeks ago. As Will Dunn at the New York Statesman points out, on the growing network of people who are in on the joke could very well keep the explosion going. The South Sea Bubble in 1720, the Railway Mania in 1847, and the dot-com boom in the early 2000s all collapsed because the real business activities that were being speculated on were being oversold. He writes, but many Dogecoin investors appear to be well aware that it is not going to become a medium of exchange or a long-term store of value. They know the emperor has no clothes and they still want the selfie with him. Completely agree. This is absolutely incredible. It's remittance of another quote popularized by the legendary investor who coincidentally wants nothing to do with cryptocurrency, Warren Buffett. As he said, you only learn who has been swimming naked when the tide goes out. For Doge investors, maybe they are happy to be naked all along. Let's rally, as most people say, to the moon. So to really kind of capitalize on the Oakland Athletics, because I do think that this is significant, because I think more and more are going to see the acceptability of Doge as a purchase or as a token to be used to purchase the seats, the tickets, however you look at it. So let's dive into this just a little bit more. It says, for the first time ever, a Major League Baseball team sold tickets in exchange for a meme cryptocurrency, Dogecoin. It says the Oakland Athletics announced it would begin selling a pair of seats in its outdoor stadium for 100 Dogecoin. The value of one Dogecoin surpassed 50 cents as of Tuesday morning, valuing the two seats pod at a total of about $50. The team's owner announced they have since been sold, stating the sale was first Dogecoin transaction in MLB history. For the 100 Dogecoin purchase price, buyers got two seats for all 4 games of a series against the Toronto Blue Jays. And as you guys can see, the tweet was put out, and here is the couple that obviously got those seats. Absolutely incredible. It says the Oakland Athletics, or the Oakland A's, have done similar cryptocurrency transactions in the past as the team started selling tickets in Bitcoin. In March of 2021, the A's joining the NBA's Dallas Mavericks as the only American professional sports teams that are accepting Dogecoin transactions. Mavericks owner Mark Cuban has been the proponent of the crypto in the past, saying it was a wiser purchase than a lottery ticket, if nothing else, and I would have to agree. So obviously, right there, we really break down and talk about how this is already having an impact in professional sports. I really think all this information is absolutely incredible, and I really did look forward to providing you this content because it's only going to continue to get more exciting as more people, more businesses, and more sporting, athletic, sports teams start accepting it as a form of currency for tickets, for whatever it is. So I'm excited to provide this content, and we'll continue to provide this to you as we continue to see this evolve. I appreciate you swinging by. I really do. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoyed the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.